Shawnn and welcome to my channel. So before we start this vlog, I would like you to know few things about me. So first, my name is Shawnn Bulaon. I'm from the Philippines and I am a frustrated vlogger. Yeah, this is my first video that I will be uploading in my channel. And I really dream to be a vlogger, but I don't have the guts to continue it. But I think this is the right time to do it with vlog. Besides of my name, which is you already know, I'm 23 years old. I'm also working at the bank. I'm a fur parent. Hi sa mga fur parents dyan. And but I do sing. So mostly sa mga susunod kong video, I hope I can provide you a good covers ng mga kanta. I love to eat. Pisngi ko, so I think, yeah, I think you notice my chubbiness, but chubby is the new sexy. What more? I also study. After 1 year of working, I risked and nag-enroll ako for masteral degree. Yeah, habang bata ka pa, lahat ng gusto mo, you just do it, you know? No one should stop you. Yeah. And there's so many things about me that siguro I'll be sharing with you guys in another video, para separate video, so parang you get to know me more like that. So for this video, I think you can see now in the title, yun nga, what's inside my bag. So without further ado, let's go in the video. Let's go with the video. So for my bag, this is my bag. Nabili ko to sa Korean store, and I don't know if this is original or what, but if it's this fake, guys, I'm not promoting you guys na bumili kayo ng fake bags. If you can afford to buy original bags, then so be it. Pero para sa mga tulad namin na hindi pa kayang mag-afford ng 6 digits worth of bag, I guess you just buy local brands or local made bags. So, ito, I just bought it from a store, which is, gustong-gusto ko kasi ang liit niya, pero ang dami mong malalagay na laman. So, for now, ito yung laman ng bag ko, going to school, supposed nga, today. But since wala, yun yung makikita nyo dito. Actually, hindi ko siya masyadong inayos. This is very bulky, but I still wanted to share with you guys. So, as we start, I want to start in the small packet of my bag. Ito, this is an alcohol, pero nirefillan ko na lang siya ng yung betadine na hand sanitizer. Guys, ang ganda niya. Yung betadine ha, wala na ata yung lalagyanan dito, but yun nga. Pag nilagay mo siya, hindi siya nakaka-dry sa skin, unlike alcohol or unlike other sanitizers. Try that betadine sanitizer. Then, I have my office ID with me here. Yan. I have a tissue paper na paubos na. Ladies, you need a tissue paper always. I have this. Sa mga nag-UV dyan, guys, ayan, kung makikita nyo, maganda to sa mga mahiluhin sa biyahe. This is very nice. Para siyang yung pag inamoy mo siya, umaabot siya sa lalamunan mo. Sobrang ganda nito. Then, lastly, sa laman ng small pocket ko is this Buttery Matte Tinted Lip Balm. Yeah, salsa. Ewan ko, baka baligtad sa screen, but yeah, it's from Noe Mac Beauty. Yeah, Noe Mac Beauty. Yan. Ilalagay ko sa baba ng description box kung saan ko to nabili. Actually, I bought this sa Society 8 sa Robinson's Galleria. Ang ganda nito. Kumain ka na, pero andun pa rin siya sa lips mo. And it smells really good. I will not swatch things kasi it should be in a different video. So, dito na tayo sa malaking bulsa. So, first thing is my gadget pouch. I call this gadget pouch kasi dito nakalagay lahat ng related sa phone, tablets, and laptop ko. Like here, this is my headset. And this is my power rocks. Galing to sa tita ko who passed away 2 or 3 years ago. Then this is my charger for my cell phone and my flash drive. Nabili ko lang to sa Lazada, guys, and it's so nice. See? It's like Orbit something flash drive. And portable electric fan. Sa CDR King ko naman to nabili. It's like kinakabit ito dun sa like this. Kinakabit ito dun sa power bank ko para if ever na mainit. Alam niyo naman sa Pilipinas, it's so hot. So, ayan. What more else? A tissue paper. Actually, this tissue paper has a huge story. So, I have this boyfriend and we have an arrangement. So, para lang, di ba, matupad. We had a contract like that. Siguro sa susunod ko na lang i-explain to. Kasama siya. Para malaman naman natin yung side niya, di ba? So, there's a special thing with tissue. Then, next, I have my glasses, eyeglasses. Kasi guys, 7 years old pa lang ako, nagsasalamin ako. Ayan, so mga isa sa yan sa fact ng aking buhay. So this is my glasses. There. Yeah. Yeah, it's my glasses. This is from EO, Executive Optical. Ganda kasi ng mga salamin. Next is my umbrella. Sa palengke lang ito nabili ng nanay ko, but this is 3 years. 3 taon na siya sa akin and it's sobrang tibay. And next, what else? My school things. School stuff, yes. Oo. Nandito yung mga ever since college ka, dapat laging yung mga registration form, yung mga forms mo, lagi mong dala yan. Lalo na pag college. Ngayon, so masterals, dala ko pa rin siya. Then, I have my school ID. Yan, school ID. Then, I have my calculator with me. Kasi I'm a financial management major. And I have pens with me. Yeah. Ayoko kasi na nakasabog sa bag ko yung mga ball pen ko. So, meron tayong maliit na lalagyanan ng ball pens. And my post-it. Next is my handouts sa school. Yellow papers and my notebooks. My notebook. Ito lang pala. Ayan. Pang dalawang subject na to. Then, next is my tablet. Siyempre, kahit ang mga teachers natin, mga professors natin, techie na. Lahat ng lessons naka-PowerPoint and you just have to read this. You read in your phone, your tablet, para on the day na alam nyo na mag-discuss sila, meron ka nang alam, diba? And lastly, my huge Kikay kit. I bought this Kikay kit at Ayala Feliz for about 150 pesos. And it's so nice. Ito yung gusto ko sa mga Kikay kit. Kaya nung nakita ko siya, I bought it agad. Kasi, ang hirap ng Kikay kit na hindi mo nakikita yung loob. You just kakalkalin mo pa siya. Pero dito nakikita mo na siya yung loob. But, I will not discuss everything inside here because I will do a separate video for this one. So, ano pa ba? I have my wallet. Nagwa-wallet ako ng malaki during office days, Monday to Fridays. But, pag kukunta lang ako sa school, I will just bring my allowance for the weekend. Para, you need to stay on a budget. Siguro, I'll share with you guys how I handle my finances. Para naman, syempre, matulungan ko kayo. Para mas makaipon. Kasi, hindi pwede na lagi na lang tayo mag-spend on things. Then, you end up maraming utang. So, I'll share you kung paano ko i-handle yung aking mga finances. Pero, siguro sa mga susunod na videos na yan. And, what more? May powder. Nahiwalay siya dito sa loob. Pero kasama siya dito. And, my comb. Girls, maraming babae sa atin ang tamad magsuklay. Pero, isa na ako doon. Pero, kailangan guys, matuto tayo magsuklay. Then, lastly, my Bluetooth headset. Marsh Bluetooth headset. Yes. Yan. Nabili ko to sa Kim Store. Pero meron silang store sa Ortigas. Sa Eaton building. Tama ba ako? Pero nandun na sila sa Robinson's Galleria Mall. Sa floor ng food court. Katabi ng mga aisle ng Globe. Ganon, dun na sila. So, if you're trying to buy same thing, I recommend this brand. Sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. See? So, ayan. Ayan. So, what else? Well, wala nang laman ang ating bag. So, this ends our video. So, maraming salamat sa panonood sa aking first video, and I hope you subscribe. Please subscribe my channel and hit that bell button below para ma-notify kayo whenever I post a new video. So, see you in my next vlog. Thank you guys. Bye! Hi guys! Please follow me on my social media accounts. See you!